Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dashboards are kind of everywhere in sales, business, marketing, finance, and even in personal projects. But have you ever opened a dashboard and felt lost, whether it contains too much information or it's not just clear? In this video, I am going to share you 5 tips to create to design a great dashboard that is visually appealing and also actually useful and also easy to understand. Whether you use Excel, Tableau, Power BI or Google Data Studio, these tips will help you to design a dashboard that is professional and also efficient. Let's get started. Define your audience and goals. Before you go into touch your dashboard software, ask yourself who is this for and what do they care about. For example, think of it like you are going to give a public speech. Before you are going to give public speech, you ask yourself some questions like who is my audience? Are they beginners or they expert, and what do they care about? That same applies here. For executive, they need quick high-level insights like sales performance, revenue trends or market growth. For analysts, they need deep dive details like customer behaviors, operational metrics or cost breakdowns. If you don't define your audience, you will end up with a dashboard that confuses more than informs. Keep it simple and actionable. Many people think a great dashboard has tons of graphs, charts and numbers, but actually less is more. A cluttered dashboard is always overwhelming and hard to read. Here is what you should do. Focus on key metrics, the most important numbers that drive decisions. Avoid unnecessary details. If it is not useful, don't include it. Use white spaces to make your dashboard more clean and readable. If you want more details, go for filters or drill down options instead of cramming everything in a single page. Choose the right visuals. Not every chart works for all type of data. Choosing the wrong one can confuse your audience more than helping them. Here's a simple guide to pick visuals. Bar charts, they are best for comparing values. Example, sales by region. Line charts, they are best for comparing trend over time. Example, monthly revenue. Pie charts, it is good for some percentages, but don't overuse them. When you have too many slices, it will get messy. Tables, it is good for showing detailed data, but again don't overuse them because people always prefer visual over text. A simple rule is if it takes more than few seconds to understand, change the chart. Use consistent colors and formatting. Colors and formatting might seem like small details, but they make huge difference in dashboard readability. Here is how you can use this effectively. Stick to a limited color palette. Too many colors equal to distraction. Use meaningful colors like red for negative values and green for positive trends. Keep your fonts and spacing consistently. Don't use 5 different fonts or random alignments. Label your chart properly. Your audience shouldn't want to guess what they are looking at. Consistency is what makes your dashboard more professional and also easy to read. Make it interactive. A great dashboard isn't just something you look at. It should lead you to explore the data more easily. Here is how you can make your dashboard more interactive. Filters. Allow user to adjust the data by specific time periods, categories or locations. Drill downs. Clicking on a summary chart should open a detailed insights. Hover tooltips. You can show kind of extra information when people hover over your graph. This makes your dashboard more dynamic and also user friendly. So people can find exactly what they need without getting more confused. And that's it. 5 essential tips to design a great dashboard that looks simple, clear and useful. Let's quickly recap. Define your audience and goals. Keep it simple and focused. Choose the right visuals for your data. Use consistent colors and formatting. Make it interactive. If you follow these tips, your dashboard will not only look good but also help people to make better decisions.